how to change the background of Dhan TradingView. So let's quickly dive into how to do it. Once you open the Dhan TradingView chart, simply right click on the space and you will get settings. Then in the context panel, you will have appearance. Here you can select a solid and make it black. You can select it black if you want total black color. But with this, when you make it dark, even the text becomes dark, so you will not be able to see the names of the script or even the text. So to change this, to make this visible, go to text, make it white or red. So there you have it. Here you have this name of the script and that you're trading, the financial instrument. So you can apply all these changes on the chart itself. That's how simple it is. You can also change these breaks, line breaks. You can put watermark. You can also change the color of the line. So that's how to change the background of Dhan TradingView.